So, Lotus Turbo Challenge 2. Anybody played it? I played it on the Amiga 500 Plus when I was about 8 or something like that. It's a classic racing car game where you had to hit each checkpoint, and it was really like you had to keep your hand down on the accelerator, keep shifting and keep shifting and keep shifting, and your thumbs at the end of it were just like dead. So we're going to play Lotus Turbo Challenge 2 right now. Here we go. Lotus Turbo Challenge 2. This is like classic. And I remember a game called Premier Manager 96 that also had a similar setup. Get out of the way, cars. Making this harder than it needs to be. See? Come on, get around the corner. I need a 6th gear. Wanker. I definitely got into different stages. I mean, why is it going so slow when I go around the corner there? That's not right, is it? I do love the music there. Even this forest music. I'd be putting like money in over and over and over at the minute just to get to the second stage. Nowhere near.